This video clip is about medical document formatting page setup. Every single time you enter Word 2013 in our computer labs, you're going to need to set up your documents like this. First of all, Word has default settings. The default margins are 1 inch all the way around, and it has a default setting of 1.5 inches or 1.5 spaces between lines, and I'd like for that to be changed. So this is how you change it. You come right up here to this little arrow below paragraph and we click. Down here it says spacing, and it says after 8 points we want to set that to 0, and line spacing we want to set this to single. If you're at home, you can set this as your default and you'll never have to change this again. In the computer labs, the default setting can't be changed, so you're going to have to set this every time in our computer labs. So click OK, and now you have a single spaced document. The second thing you need to do is decide whether or not you're going to vertically center your document. If you have letters and some reports, we want this to look nice on the page and vertically center it. Here's how you do that. You go to Page Layout, and right here you click again on the Page Setup. Page Setup has 3 tabs. There are margins, and here's where you'd click, you change your margins if you wish to do that. Of course, there's Portrait and Landscape, and we're going to do all of our documents in Portrait. You can change the size of your paper. We're going to leave that to 8.5 by 11, and right here is Layout. Right in the middle of this dialog box is the vertical alignment of your document. Right, default is a top aligned, and if we want to set that to center aligned, it's going to vertically center all of our documents. So your cursor is going to begin at the middle, and it just works its way in through the center. It makes it handy for to help your documents look nice.